So you want to find your YouTube Wrapped 2020 or my year in review, but you haven't got this email. So in this video I'm going to explain and show you some reasons why you might not have this email yet, or you might not get it. So first of all, in order to get this, YouTube actually needs a decent amount of data to tell all of these stats. So if you only just created your channel, if you only started uploading last week or like 2 weeks ago, or just a short period ago, you might do not have all of these stats. Which means that YouTube might not be able to create a My Year in Review for you. So that's one of the main reasons. So you'll probably not get this email. It can be that you need to be signed up to get these emails right here. Otherwise it may be that YouTube is not sending those out, all of them at once. So make sure you be patient in the next few hours. Or you've simply not given them enough data, or you're not signed up for these emails. It's probably going to be one of these reasons.